Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the 3 add-on kits available to coordinate with your flavors of the month. So we have the Cardstock add-on, the Pattern Paper add-on, and the Embellishment add-on. These allow you to have your kits go even further and be able to create even more. You might also want to check out the Shots of Life because it coordinates with your flavors of the month, and so it can give you more pattern paper and embellishments. Or if you're a pocket page scrapbooker, you might want to check out these 3 add-ons to go with your Shots of Life and have it go even further. One way or the other, you can end up with a ton of product, which we all love. Let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at each one of these add-ons. The first add-on we're going to look at is the Cardstock add-on. So I leave the pattern paper here so you can see how well they coordinate and kind of gives you a clue about the color palettes that you're working with and what you might be able to mix and match. So I always think that's a lot of fun. So starting with Doodlebug's Seaside Summer, you're going to receive 1 sheet of evergreen and 2 sheets of powder. For the Echo Park Fall Leaves collection, you're going to get 1 sheet of cranberry and 2 sheets of apricot, that gorgeous orange there. And for Simple Stories Into the Wild, you're going to receive a sheet of yellow cardstock and 2 sheets of ivy. And then the last Simple Stories collection, the Simple Vintage Lakeside, you'll receive a sheet of butter and 2 sheets of Kachina cardstock, that beautiful turquoise color that matches so well. So be sure to get that added on if you like to do cardstock for your bases or mat your photos. Lots of options there. Our next add-on we're going to look at is the Patterned Paper add-on. And with the Patterned Paper add-on, you get 2 additional patterns for each one of the 4 collections. So none of these duplicate from the kit. They're extra patterns. So Doodlebug Seaside Summer, you're going to get this paper called Having a Ball, which is all of these border strips, different widths. Some have the text on them, some are just icons, stripes, the florals. Just gorgeous. I love this wood grain with the hearts, the flamingos. The back side is a polka dot in all of the different colors. Then we have this one, Beach Blanket, which is the sailboats. Those beautiful colors on the water. The back is a wide, bold stripe in all of the different colors. For the Echo Park Fall Fever, we have this gingham plaid with the pumpkins. So in the kit, we had the leaves. Now we have the pumpkins. And the back is a tone-on-tone green leaf print. Then we have these gorgeous florals in all of the fall colors. The back is the red, kind of the barn rustic red plaid. This paper's called Fall Fever Floral, and this one is called Gingham Gourds. I think I missed that. Simple Stories Into the Wild. We have this fun paper with all of the little palm trees and stuff with the animals, flamingos, tigers, sloths, koala bears, the elephants, the little hippo in the water. So cute. And the back is a 2-toned brown. This resembles like a paw print. That paper is called Going on Safari, if I didn't say that. This one's Oh Snap, which has the crocodiles on the turquoise polka dot print. The back is a 2-toned polka dot in green. Then for the Simple Vintage Lakeside, we have this one, which is the Journal Elements. So we have different sizes, and they're all geared for getting your journaling in. Of course, you could also use them for mats or tucking in around stuff to create layers, but I always love something to put my journaling on. The back is all of these different mushrooms on the craft background. This one is called Nature's Story, which has the text up here on the wood grain and then all of the fauna and butterflies here. That's just a beautiful paper. And the back is the leaves and the butterflies on a black background. So let's take one more look at all of those pattern papers. And you can see how even these, you could tuck in and use with this collection. It'd be cute. And that one, since it's not a true paw print, you could actually pull it in. So that's why I like seeing it all together. So that is your patterned paper. The final add-on we're going to look at is the embellishment add-on. So with this, you get extra embellishments for each one of the 4 collections. So if you love layering up lots of embellishments, you definitely want to get this added. So for the Doodlebug Seaside Summer, you're going to get the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. These are always one of my favorites. We have a small scalloped floral and a large scalloped with the stripes. We have a rickrack, another small scalloped with the dots in pink, and a swirl with green. Super cute. This time we have some larger pieces that have titles or just text that you could put in. Labels here, and then lots of quotes and brackets. So if you really wanted to accentuate your title or subtitle or even a photo, then you could use those to go around it and really draw attention. And then we have lots of little word labels. For the Echo Park Fall Fever, you're going to get half a pack of the enamel dots. So you get all of the different colors. Simple Stories Into the Wild, you're going to get half a pack of the die cut pieces. And so they will vary among the kits on this. But this is what I got, so you see a good sample of what will be in there. For the Simple Vintage Lakeside, you're going to get half a pack of the foam stickers. So these will vary among the kits as well, but this is the one that I received. That little penguin should be over there with those. These foam stickers are always a lot of fun. So you get titles, but then you also get some icons and some smaller ones that are fun to tuck in. So that is the embellishment add-on. One more look at your 3 add-ons available to coordinate with your flavors of the month. Be sure to check out the store. We have individual items you can purchase and have shipped along with your kits. Don't forget to download your free cut files, join in on the challenges, and see the sketch that we have to work with this month. Lots of going on. So join us over on the Facebook group and the blog. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.